up, y'all? Okay, y'all, what's up? Let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, I already completed one eye for this fall smoky look. It's a bit dramatic. Depending on how this go, I might do a variation of this look and not be so, you know, going with the wind. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. For my look, get this eye, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Use this 3503 by Morphe, Fierce by Nature. We will be using this palette. I didn't even really do a review because I feel like, you know, I'm just like a small little fish in a big old sea. I'd rather just go ahead and do some looks out of it versus reviewing it, unless I don't like it. If I don't like it, y'all want to see me use it. I tried to do this look without doing a cut crease. It's kind of like a fake cut crease. Well, it really ain't even really a fake cut crease, but I tried to do something without a cut crease because I do want to be very kind of beginners or novice friendly when it comes to my videos right now. I feel like I get a lot of kind of new people to watch. I don't want to start doing stuff like cut creases yet, and we haven't really kind of like tackled the basis of just knowing how to do a nice blended eye. So you will see a lot of me doing tutorials with like blended eyes right now, but I am definitely going to do a cut crease tutorial on how to do some easy cut creases, fake cut creases, all of those good things. Okay, so first I'm going to prime this eye, honey. When I put primer or any type of base on my lid, I still wait in the tart. I will blend it out and then I will wait and let it dry before I blend it. Explain that when I do my how to finesse a drugstore eyeshadow palette using Wet n Wild, and I explain that with the easy eye tutorial tips and tricks to get a nice eye application. So I explain that thoroughly in those videos, and I'm just kind of repeating myself again. So if you want to go check out those videos, definitely do. I will this time put the link in my description so you can just click on it. Now I'm going to go in with this brown here. They had the names on it. It's on a little plastic paper, which I hate. Now if y'all want me to talk about something about this palette, I hate that. Either put the names on the darn shadows, put them here so we can read them. Don't put them on the back. Don't put them on a flimsy piece of paper. Put them here, okay? Here. And if you're not gonna put the names there, then just don't put no names, okay? And we're gonna use some of the basic techniques that I've used in the easy eye tips and tricks tutorial, and as well as the finessing a drugstore eyeshadow palette. So we're going to use those little techniques to help create this look, okay? Typically with a smoky eye, you want to use a really smoky color. So that could be a black, anything that reminds you of the remnants of like smoke. Typically your smoky colors is, you know, your dark gray, your brown, your dark browns, your black, of course. You can do a smoky eye using a dark green. You can use a smoky eye using a dark purple. You know, anything that's kind of dark, you can kind of use it to kind of smoke it out. Here. That's the next color I will be using. And I'm gonna go right above that and just kind of, you know, dab it on lightly and small. And I go really lightly and small because I don't have a lot of lid space. So I don't want to overdo it, because you can start off light and add on, but once you add on too much, it is hard to dial it down and dial it back. So now I'm going to add this orange. You can start with your transition color first, but this just works easier for me. So we got that covered. Now we're not finished. We're going to go back and kind of touch up everything we need to, but that's good for that moment in time. This look, I want the eye to be dramatic and sleek. You know what I'm saying? Really like sleek and chinky. I'm going to use this color for my lid. Fall look to do, like, you know, if you real dramatic, you going out to a, you know, you going out for the Thanksgiving weekend holiday, you know what I'm saying? If you want to wear this to, you know, the Thanksgiving little dinner, you can, but I would say this is more after you eat dinner and you about to go out, you know what I'm saying? You about to go and dance and work off all that chicken, green beans, tomato, whatever you name. I'm going to add this, a little of this to it. We need to blend this out. I didn't do that, so let's go back and let's kind of like blend all of this out. And use a fluffy brush, and that just blends everything together, blends it out, softens edges, and it's good to use a fluffy brush to do those things with. We're gonna go in and kind of like start to bring that smokiness into that V, outer V area. And we say outer V because the way, you know, like that. Oh, this brown right here. I'm going to use some black to kind of go on this outer crease. One thing about this liner is for your eye to get the illusion of being long and sleek, you do have to extend that line further out, so it actually makes your eyes look much wider than it really is when you extend that line there. Gives it more of a dramatic effect. A little closer. Let's blend some of this out a little bit more. Ooh, I'm the blending queen. Ooh, I'm the blending queen. Ooh, I'm the blending queen. Ooh, Ooh, I'm the blending queen. I start blending makeup back in. If y'all ain't from the country or the hood, y'all ain't gonna know about no Mr. Biggs. But if you do, holler if you hear me. Hi. Okay, let's move on. The hoodness came out. Goodness, the hoodness came out. Liner. And first, I like to line up the bottom because we want it to go up. Then I'm gonna take that black and kind of smudge this black up. Now what I'm going to do is use my concealer. I'm going to clean it off. So now let's go ahead and put on that lash. And I chose these lashes. It's kind of like small and wispy at the end because it fit the eye shape that I was looking for. I press them together. I kind of just bend them up because I do like my lashes to flare up and out. So we can go ahead and finish this face so we can have the complete look. Let's go. Alrighty, so I went ahead and finished up my face. So my face is complete. I hadn't set it yet, but now let's go ahead and finish up the bottom of the eye. And all I'm going to do is take the black out of this palette. So I've used this whole palette. Now I'm going to take the black out of this palette and I'm just going to smoke out the bottom of my eye. But I'm not going to do the whole thing because like you see my eyes already shaped kind of almondy and cheeky. I don't want to be so till you can't see my eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to smoke out the outer corner of my bottom and just deepen that. And typically they say when you do a dramatic eye, you do a softer toned down lip, but we're gonna do a deep red. And I'm gonna go in with this red called Amore with Milani. So I'm gonna take this black, use this red again. I'm gonna spray my face. So we are back with the final look. I hope y'all all like it. I like it. I like the way it turned out. It turned out really nice. Y'all like this look. If y'all do like this look, please thumbs up this video and comment below. Please subscribe if you watched this and enjoyed this video, and press that little bell right next to when you press subscribe. It's like these bells come up, and make sure you click on that bell. You can get notifications for when I'm uploading a new video, and I upload new videos weekly. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.